When you think of coconuts, you probably picture tropical beaches and refreshing drinks, but did you know this humble fruit is a powerhouse of productivity? Coconuts aren't just for drinking and eating. In fact, an entire industry thrives off this single fruit, turning it into coir, cocopeat, coconut cream, and coconut flour, with millions of products produced every year. But how exactly do farmers and manufacturers take these fuzzy little fruits and transform them into everyday products? Today, we're diving into the fascinating process of coconut production and how it powers industries around the globe. Ready? Let's crack open the world of coconuts. The coconut tree, nature's gift with endless possibilities. A versatile crop. Coconut trees are nothing short of nature's all-purpose tool. From their fruit to their leaves, coconuts are packed with value. In fact, a single tree can produce up to 50 to 100 coconuts per year. That's an insane amount of potential for creating multiple products, from eco-friendly materials to health foods. Farmers across the globe, especially in tropical regions like Southeast Asia, the Philippines and India, harvest these coconuts with a goal in mind, unlocking the potential hidden inside each one. The first step is simply picking the ripe coconuts, but the real magic happens after the harvest. Turning coconuts into coir, the secret behind sustainable fiber. The fiber revolution. Coir. Production. Coir, also known as coconut husk fiber, is the unsung hero of eco-friendly materials. You've probably used it before without realizing, whether in doormats, ropes, or even car seats. But have you ever wondered how it's made? Once coconuts are harvested, the outer shell, the husk, is separated from the rest of the fruit. This husk is rich in fibrous material, which is then processed into coir. To do this, the husk is first soaked in water for several days, softening it. Then, the fibers are extracted using mechanical or manual methods, typically involving brushing or scraping to remove the fibers from the coconut shell. This coir can be used in a variety of ways, including for potting soil, mattress fillings, and even biodegradable brushes. The beauty of coir is its natural durability and resistance to water and rot, making it an ideal eco-friendly alternative to synthetic materials. As demand for sustainable products grows, coir production is booming, and more factories are popping up to meet the global need. Cocopeat, the sustainable soil revolution. The green thumb's best friend, cocopeat. Now, let's talk about cocopeat, also known as coconut coir dust. It's like coir's younger, softer sibling, and it's taking the gardening world by storm. After the fibers are extracted from the coconut husk, what remains is a fine, spongy material that's perfect for retaining moisture and aerating soil. That's cocopeat. Cocopeat is an incredible alternative to traditional peat moss, and it's revolutionizing the way we grow plants. In a cocopeat factory, the husks are shredded into smaller pieces and then processed into finely ground cocopeat. This is then dried, sterilized, and packaged into bags that are ready to hit the market. Farmers, nurseries, and gardeners love it because cocopeat is lightweight, biodegradable, and retains water much better than soil alone. It's perfect for hydroponics and soil-free farming, which is why it's increasingly used in greenhouses and indoor gardens around the world. Plus, it's an eco-friendly solution because it's made from what would otherwise be waste from the coconut industry. Coconut cream, the dreamy ingredient for food and beauty products. Turning coconuts into liquid gold, coconut cream. Production. Okay, now for the most delicious part, coconut cream. It's the velvety, rich liquid that brings creamy texture and flavor to countless dishes, whether in curries, smoothies, or desserts. But how is it made? To produce coconut cream, the coconut meat, the white flesh inside the shell, is grated and mixed with warm water. The mixture is then pressed to extract the thick, creamy liquid that's packed with healthy fats and nutrients. After this, the coconut cream is filtered and packed into cans or jars, ready to become the base of your favorite tropical recipes. Beyond its use in cooking, coconut cream is also in demand in the beauty industry. It's known for its moisturizing and nourishing properties, making it a key ingredient in shampoos, lotions, and skincare products. The versatility of coconut cream is endless, making it one of the most popular coconut-based products worldwide. Coconut flour, the gluten-free wonder. The flour of the future. Coconut flour. Production. For those looking to reduce gluten intake or simply seeking a more nutritious alternative to regular flour, coconut flour is the answer. Made from dried coconut meat, it's an excellent source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. It's also a great choice for baking or adding texture to smoothies. Here's how it's made. Once the coconut cream has been extracted from the coconut meat, the remaining dried coconut is finely ground to produce coconut flour. The process is relatively simple, but must be done carefully to ensure the right texture and quality. Some factories also dehydrate the coconut meat first to make the flour finer and easier to use. Coconut flour has become incredibly popular in the gluten-free and paleo communities, as well as for those on low-carb diets. It's even starting to appear in a wide range of products, from bread and pancakes to cookies and crackers. And just like the other coconut products, it's a great way to make use of the parts of the coconut that would otherwise go to waste. Building the coconut factory, from raw materials to finished products, creating a factory that works. Now that you understand how the different products are made, let's take a look at how factories bring everything together. Building a successful coconut processing factory requires a mix of state-of-the-art machinery, expert knowledge, and efficient logistics. First, the coconut is harvested and transported to the factory. From there, each step, whether it's coir extraction, cocopeat production, or turning the flesh into cream or flour, requires its own specialized equipment. Automatic machines handle the shredding, grinding, pressing, and drying of coconuts, ensuring that the process is both efficient and hygienic. After the raw materials are processed, they are packaged for shipment to wholesalers, retailers, or direct consumers. Many coconut product factories are scaling up to meet the growing demand for natural and sustainable products, and they're doing it by focusing on automation, sustainability, and reducing waste. By turning every part of the coconut into a sellable product, these factories ensure that nothing goes to waste. Sustainability, a coconut industry revolution. Closing the loop. Eco-friendly production. The coconut industry isn't just about making money, it's also about sustainability. With growing concerns over waste and environmental impact, coconut processing factories are increasingly focusing on reducing their carbon footprint. Many coconut factories are now implementing zero-waste systems, where everything from the coconut husks to the water used in processing is recycled and repurposed. The coir and bagasse can be used as biofuels, while leftover coconut water is often sold as a health drink or used in the production of cosmetics. This closed-loop system helps create a sustainable, eco-friendly production model that benefits both the environment and the economy. The processing stages, a closer look at how coconuts are transformed. To understand how coconuts can be turned into such a diverse range of products, It's important to dive deeper into the processing stages each coconut undergoes. Once the coconuts are harvested, their journey through the factory begins. Here's how the entire process is carried out in detail for different products. Grading and sorting. When coconuts arrive at the factory, they are first graded and sorted according to their size, maturity, and quality. Not all coconuts are used for the same purpose. Some may be better suited for products like coconut cream and coconut oil, while others are ideal for coir extraction. The sorting process is crucial because each product requires the right type of coconut for optimal results. Dehusking. Once sorted, the outer husk of the coconut is removed. This is done either manually or using dehusking machines, which make the process much faster. The husk is the primary material used for coir and cocopeat, so it must be separated carefully to avoid damage. The coconut shell underneath is sometimes cracked open to remove the coconut water inside. This water can be sold as a refreshing drink or used in other products, such as cosmetics or health supplements. Shredding and grinding. Once dehusked, the coconut flesh is shredded into fine pieces, which are used to make coconut cream or coconut flour. The flesh is either grated or chopped into smaller pieces, depending on the product being produced. This shredded material is then dried to preserve it and prevent it from spoiling. For coconut cream, the shredded flesh is soaked in warm water and then pressed to extract the cream. The remaining solid is used for other products like coconut flour. For coconut flour, after the extraction of coconut cream, the remaining dried coconut meat is finely ground into a powder, ready for packaging. Manufacturing equipment, the role of technology in coconut processing. The rise of automation and technology has significantly transformed coconut processing. As demand for coconut-based products has increased, manufacturers have turned to high-tech machinery to increase output and efficiency. From coconut dehusking machines to presses and drying systems, these tools have made large-scale production more feasible than ever. Dehusking machines. The first piece of equipment that plays a vital role in coconut processing is the dehusking machine. These machines are designed to remove the outer husk of the coconut quickly and efficiently. Instead of manual labor, these machines save time and energy, making it possible for factories to process large quantities of coconuts in a short amount of time. Shredders and grinders. Once dehusked, the coconuts must be shredded and ground. Modern shredding machines can handle the fibrous texture of coconut flesh, breaking it down into smaller pieces. The grinders take this shredded coconut and turn it into finely ground coconut flour or coconut chips. These machines ensure that each batch is consistent and finely ground to meet industry standards. Hydraulic presses. To extract coconut cream, hydraulic presses are used to squeeze out the rich liquid from the shredded coconut. These presses are capable of applying intense pressure, ensuring that the maximum amount of coconut cream is extracted from the coconut flesh. The leftover pulp or coconut meal can then be used for other products, including coconut flour or animal feed. Dryers. Drying is an essential step in coconut processing, especially when it comes to producing coconut flour and coconut chips. Industrial dryers are used to reduce the moisture content in the coconut flesh and meat, preserving its shelf life. These dryers operate at high temperatures and low humidity to ensure that the coconut remains intact while removing excess moisture. Packaging and distribution, the final step in the coconut product journey. Once the products are made, they need to be packaged and distributed to retailers and customers. Packaging plays a crucial role in protecting the products during transportation, preserving freshness, and complying with health and safety standards. Here's a closer look at the packaging process. From Coir to Cocopeat, coconut cream to coconut flour. The coconut is a superstar crop that's capable of transforming into an endless array of products. These products are not only beneficial to consumers, but also to the environment, offering sustainable alternatives in multiple industries. The demand for coconut-based goods shows no sign of slowing down, and as production technology improves, it's safe to say the coconut's role in the global market will only continue to grow. So next time you grab a coconut drink or use coconut flour in your baking, just remember, the fruit you're enjoying has a whole lot more to it than meets the eye. With millions of products derived from this tropical powerhouse, coconuts truly are nature's gift that keeps on giving. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind the scenes looks at the industries that make our world work.